The Five Love Languages by Gary Chapman. Introduction. The Five Love Languages is a popular book written by Dr. Gary Chapman. It focuses on how people give and receive love in different ways. According to Dr. Chapman, many problems in relationships come from misunderstanding each other's emotional needs. The book introduces the idea that there are 5 main ways people express and feel love. These are called love languages.
Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to watch another one. We think you'll love it. And don't forget to follow us for more easy English and amazing book summaries. See you soon!
Each person has 1 or 2 main love languages. When we understand our own and our partner's love language, we can build stronger, healthier, and happier relationships. This book has helped millions of couples, friends, and families around the world to better understand love and communication. What is a love language? A love language is the way someone prefers to receive love. It can also be the way they show love to others. Some people feel most loved when they receive kind words. Others feel loved when someone spends time with them or gives them a small gift. We don't all feel loved in the same way. Sometimes 2 people love each other deeply, but they speak different love languages. Because of this, one or both people may feel unappreciated or unloved. Learning to speak another person's love language helps us connect better with them. Just like learning a real language, it takes practice, but it's worth it. The 5 love languages. Dr. Chapman identifies 5 love languages. Each one is important, but usually one is the strongest for each person. 1. Words of affirmation. Love language. Expressing love through spoken or written words. This love language focuses on using kind, supportive, and encouraging words to show love and appreciation. People who have this love language feel happy and connected when they hear things like, "I love you," "You did a great job," "I'm proud of you," "You mean so much to me." Even a simple "thank you" can be powerful. For these people, words matter a lot. On the other hand, insults, rude comments, or silence can hurt deeply and stay in their memory for a long time. Examples of how to speak this language. Write a thoughtful message or letter. Compliment your partner often. Say, "I love you" regularly. Give encouragement during difficult times. Example situation. Emma tells her husband, "I really appreciate how hard you work for our family." Her husband smiles because words of affirmation are his love language. 2. Acts of service. Love language. Showing love by helping and doing kind things. Some people feel loved when others do something helpful for them. These can be small or big actions like cooking dinner, cleaning the house, running errands, taking care of the children, helping with a project. These actions show love because they require time, effort, and care. If your partner values acts of service, words alone are not enough. They want to see your love in action. Examples of how to speak this language. Do household chores without being asked. Offer to help when your partner is tired. Pay attention to small needs, like making tea. Fix something that's broken. Example situation. James notices that his wife is tired. He makes dinner and washes the dishes without being asked. She feels loved and appreciated. 3. Receiving gifts. Love language. Feeling loved through thoughtful presents. For some people, gifts are a strong symbol of love. This doesn't mean the gift must be expensive. It's more about the thought behind it. A gift says, "I was thinking of you." These individuals feel happy when they receive, Small, surprise gifts, handmade items, flowers or chocolates, birthday or anniversary presents, souvenirs from trips. Gifts are visual reminders of love and care. A person with this love language may keep gifts for a long time and feel emotional when they receive one. Examples of how to speak this language. Give thoughtful gifts on special days. Surprise your partner with small presents. Make a handmade gift. Bring something back from a trip. Example situation. Sophie comes home and sees a small gift on the table with a note. I saw this and thought of you. She feels warm and loved because receiving gifts is her love language. 4. Quality time. Love language. Giving someone your full attention and time. This love language is about being present and giving undivided attention. People who value quality time want to feel seen, heard, and understood. It's not about just being in the same room. It's about doing things together and having meaningful conversations. Distractions, like checking your phone or watching TV while your partner is talking, can feel hurtful. Examples of how to speak this language. Go for walks or have coffee together. Plan regular date nights. Listen actively during conversations. Create special memories together. Example situation. Olivia and her partner take a walk in the park every evening and talk about their day. These moments make Olivia feel close and emotionally connected. 5. Physical touch. Love language. Expressing love through physical contact. Physical touch is a powerful way to show love. People with this love language feel most connected through hugs, kisses, hand-holding, and other forms of physical affection. Touch makes them feel safe and loved. Lack of touch can create emotional distance for them. This love language is not only about romance, it also includes friendly or comforting touches. Examples of how to speak this language. Hug your partner often. Hold hands while walking. Give a kiss before leaving or arriving. Sit close while watching TV. Example situation. Michael is feeling stressed. His wife gives him a long hug, and he immediately feels calmer. Physical touch is his main love language. How to discover your love language. Not everyone knows their love language right away. Here are a few ways to find out. 1. Think about what makes you feel most loved. Is it a kind word, a hug, a thoughtful gift, help with a task, or time together? 2. Look at what you ask for most. For example, if you often say, "Can we spend more time together?" Your love language may be quality time. 3. Notice what you do for others. People often give love in the way they want to receive it. 4. Think about what hurts you most. If being ignored makes you feel very sad, your love language might be quality time. 5. Take the official quiz. Dr. Chapman offers a free quiz to help people find their love language, available in the book or online. The Love Tank. Dr. Chapman uses the idea of a love tank to describe a person's emotional needs. When the tank is full, the person feels happy, loved, and secure. When it's empty, they may feel angry, lonely, or disconnected. The goal in a relationship is to keep your partner's love tank full by regularly using their love language. Signs of a full love tank. Joy, trust, good communication. Signs of an empty love tank. Arguments, distance, sadness, or resentment. Love is a choice. Dr. Chapman explains that love is more than just a feeling. It is also a decision and a commitment. Feelings of love may go up and down, but real love continues through actions. Choosing to speak your partner's love language, even when it's not your own, shows deep care and maturity. It takes effort, but it brings real emotional connection. Using love languages in everyday life. In romantic relationships, learn and use each other's love languages. Respect your differences. Be patient and willing to learn. In families, understand your children's love languages. Use different approaches for each child. Create family time based on love languages. With friends and others. Pay attention to what makes others feel appreciated. Show love in ways that are meaningful to them. Practice thoughtful communication. Final thoughts. The 5 love languages teaches us that love is personal, and to make someone feel truly loved, we must learn their emotional language. Whether in marriage, friendship, or family, understanding and speaking the right love language can build stronger, more caring, and more lasting relationships. True love takes patience, practice, and understanding. But when we speak the right language, love becomes more powerful and real.